Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to clear your Koala Classroom cache in Google Chrome. And this is a fast and easy way which allows you to do this without losing important information across other websites. First, click on the two lines just right next to your classroom URL. Once you click this, select Cookies and Site Data, and then click on Manage On-Device Site Data. The next step is to delete the links which you see that have the Koala Classroom logo. So this link has the Koala Classroom logo and also says classroom.teachwithkoala.com. So let's delete this. And then this one also says teachwithkoala.com and has the Teach with Koala logo. So delete this too. But all the rest of the links are not associated with Koala Go. So let's leave these ones out. Next, click on Done. And then an option should come for you to reload this page to apply all your changes. Click Reload. And we're done. We've successfully cleared our Koala Classroom cache. So once we sign back in, all our cache has been cleared. See you on another episode. Bye!